Good evening. I'm Mark Bassett, Executive Director of the Nevada Northern Railway National Historic Landmark in Ely, Nevada. I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Railway Fun, Facts, and Trivia. Tonight, we're going to talk about spending the night at the museum. Here at Caboose 22, you can actually spend the night in a caboose in a rail yard. Wait, what was that? Was that the ghost train of old Ely? Behind me here is the bunkhouse, right in the middle of the rail yard, and it's a feature in our Spend the Night at the Museum. And there's two ways of doing it. Number one, you can volunteer at the railroad, work on track, work on the buildings, work on the trains, work in the shop, or help us push that mountain of paperwork during the day, and then at night you can spend the night right here for free. The second way of doing it is just coming down and renting a room for us. We do offer rooms to the public, and you can spend the night right smack dab in the middle of a historic railroad. But I have to warn you, the steam crews start very early in the morning. But it is a very unique opportunity. Let's go inside and take a look. This is the bunkhouse. We have 4 sleeping rooms. We have 2 bathrooms with showers. We have a kitchen and a small dining area and a sitting area. Now, the bunkhouse was actually built in 1906 for the railroad. I believe it was a depot, and it was moved to this location approximately 1910. If you want something truly unique, just out of this world, come spend the night at the Nevada Northern Railway. There are places where you can spend the night in a caboose, but here at the Nevada Northern Railway, you can spend the night in a working caboose. Here we are in Caboose 22 in the middle of the rail yard. The creature comforts are rather thin. There's no Wi-Fi, there's no television, there's no radio, and there's no restroom. The restroom is down the tracks at the next building. But we do have air conditioning. We have Class 6 air conditioning. You open all 6 windows and you get a real nice cross breeze. We do have heat in the car, but let's face it, if you're going to spend the night here in the caboose, you're not looking for creature comforts, you're looking for a unique, one-of-a-kind experience, and that's what we offer here. This caboose is hooked up to a train, and there is a possibility you might get an early wake-up call because we need to take that train. But again, it's all part of the experience here at the Nevada Northern Railway. Well, it's been a long day here at the railroad. And if you're looking for some excitement or adventure in your life, I encourage you to come and spend the night at the railroad, or better yet, come and volunteer here at the railroad. You'll find it to be very, very rewarding. Well, it's been a very long day, and I have the caboose, I got a bed, and I bid you good night. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Railway Fun, Facts, and Trivia. Check our website often as we update additional episodes and our train schedule and other events that are all happening here at the Nevada Northern Railway National Historic Landmark in Ely, Nevada. This is Mark Bassett saying, I'll see you down the tracks.